Hi guys, welcome back to Ivy's Space. So today I'll be taking you guys through Dollar Tree and show you guys some of the stuff that is currently available at Dollar Tree. So today, if this is your first time seeing my videos, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if this is your first time watching anything from me, thank you so much for coming. So over here we do a lot of shopping videos. I'm based here in Toronto, Canada, so all the stores that I visit are here in Toronto, Canada. So I do a lot of shopping videos, cooking, cleaning, home decoration, chit chat videos and things like that. So if you're interested in things like that, please subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to to press the notification bell so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. And if you're a returnee or you're a new subscriber of mine and you're coming back to my channel to watch my video, thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. You guys are amazing. So as I mentioned earlier on, I'm just doing a Dollar Tree walkthrough, and this video has been on my draft for so many months now. I think this should be the second month. And guys, I was supposed to post this video. I don't know, I didn't end up posting it, but today I'll be posting it for you guys. So here at Dollar Tree, most of their stuff runs from $1 to $2, I believe. I've never seen anything that is above $2. Maybe I didn't really pay attention, but I think most of their stuff over here are about $1 to $2. So this, I think, Dollar Tree is even cheaper than Dollarama, because Dollarama range from $1 to $2. I mean to $4, and Dollar Tree is everything is about $1 to $2. I'm going to double check the next time I go to see if I can find anything above like about $4, like at Dollarama. So Dollar Tree does have a lot of containers. If you're planning to buy some of the storage containers for your home to put things away under the sink, in your closet and things like that, Dollar Tree has a varieties of those boxes and containers that you can use in your home. Guys, sorry about that, I just got a test. So I'm just going ahead to show you guys some of the other stuff that I found this cake making stuff here at Dollar Tree. If you do not know, I recently just picked up interest into baking from scratch. So I found some things here that I could use to improve my baking experience. So yes guys, I end up finding some of those things here at Dollar Tree as well. So guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you have watched this far, please push the subscribe button down below, leave a comment down below if you have a Dollar Tree in your country. I know Dollar Tree is in the US and also in Canada, but I don't know if you're watching from Europe. Do you have a Dollar Tree in your country? Leave a comment down below and I will be really happy to read some of the countries that you can find Dollar Tree at. So guys, if you're looking into doing some of the DIYs, I would feel like Dollar Trees is a place to start with when you're looking to making like DIYs. I end up finding some of my cricket stuff here at Dollar Tree. I don't know how good they are. I haven't tried them yet, but I always end up finding some of the cricket paper that you can use to make stuff. I know I'm planning to upload a video on how I use my cricket machine, and so I was hunting for some of these materials that I can use for my cricket machine, and I end up finding some of those things here. Also, Dollar Tree has a lot of plates, bowls for your kitchen. If you're a student or you're a single person and you don't need a lot of plate, you can come here to Dollar Tree to get some of those things. From here they're about $1.50 for some of these plates. They will really, some of them looks really nice. Like look at those nice blue coffee mug or tea mug that you can use for your tea. So guys, yes, this is my walkthrough for Dollar Tree. This was at the beginning of the year when I did my walkthrough, and they usually have some of these things over and over and over again. Some of the stuff they go by so fast you don't end up seeing them again, but I think the plate and the kitchen stuff are usually the same thing. If you were to go now, you're going to find some of these things as well. You may not find the same colors or the same style, but you're going to find other stuff that you might like. Yes guys, this is my walkthrough at Dollar Tree for the kitchen organization, washroom, and things like that. They also have really nice coffee mug. Like if you like to drink coffee like me, guys, I'm so obsessed with the latest coffee mug, that the clear coffee mug right now. But if you're looking for inexpensive coffee mug, Dollar Tree really has nice coffee mug for your coffee in the morning. So guys, these are some of the stuff that I end up finding here at Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you go and watch some of my other videos that I uploaded recently. Leave a comment down below and let me know some of the stuff or stores that you like me to visit. So guys, I'm going to let you guys watch this video to an end. I hope you enjoy, and push the subscribe button if you have not pushed the subscribe button now yet, and push the notification bell as well. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.